Introduction. 1. Welcome to our deep dive into the future of AI chatbots. 2. ChatGPT has revolutionized how we interact with AI, but what's next? 3. Today, we'll explore upcoming advancements, real-world applications, and technical breakthroughs in chatbot AI. 1. Evolution of AI chatbots. 1. From rule-based bots to deep learning models. 2. Milestones: Eliza, 1966, Siri and Alexa, ChatGPT and beyond. 3. The rise of generative AI and transformer models. 2. ChatGPT today, strengths and limitations. 1. How ChatGPT works, transformer architecture, self-attention mechanism. 2. Strengths: context awareness, multi-turn conversations, and creativity. 3. Limitations: hallucinations, lack of real-time updates, bias challenges. 3. The next generation of chatbots. 1. Multimodal AI, image, audio, and text understanding, GPT-4 Turbo, Gemini. 2. Memory and personalization, AI remembering past interactions for better UX. 3. Real-time data access, integration with web searches and APIs. 4. Autonomous AI agents, AI that takes action without explicit commands. 4. Industry applications of AI chatbots. 1. Customer support, AI replacing traditional customer service. 2. Healthcare, AI chatbots diagnosing diseases and providing medical advice. 3. Education, AI tutors and personalized learning assistants. 4. Finance and trading, AI-powered investment advisors. 5. Ethical considerations and challenges. 1. Bias in AI chatbots and mitigation strategies. 2. AI regulations and the responsibility of companies. 3. The future of AI-human collaboration. 6. Future innovations in AI chatbots. 1. Quantum AI and its impact on chatbots. 2. AI consciousness, will chatbots ever think like humans? 3. Predictions for 2030 and beyond. Conclusion. 1. The AI chatbot revolution is just beginning. 2. What are your thoughts on the future of AI chatbots? 2. Comment below. 3. Like, share, and subscribe for more AI deep dives. Hashtag AI, hashtag ChatGPT, hashtag future of AI, hashtag artificial intelligence, hashtag machine learning.